In this video, I am going to teach you how to permanently delete old posts and pictures from your Facebook page. Hey bestie, my name is Jessica and this is Life with Jessie. If you are a new subscriber, thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you get to watch other of my videos too. And if you are a returning subscriber, you already know I love you. Thank you for stopping by. For this tutorial, all you need is your phone and your Facebook app, of course. Let's get right into the video.
I've been waiting for a friend.
So the first thing you want to do is to get to your Facebook app and open it. Open it and then get to your profile page. So after your profile page is opened, you click on this three dots you are seeing. This highlighted three dots with the red circle on it. You click on it and it will take you to the next page. Please do not click on anything else. Just click on that three dot. That is why I highlighted it with the red circle. Click on the three dots only and then it will take you to the next page, right? So when you get to the next page, you click on activity log, just like you see it highlighted with the red circle. You click on activity log. Wait for it to load and then it will open up on the next page. As you can see, it's loading. Yeah, it will only take a minute. Then after which you click on public posts. Public posts is all of the posts you have been posting on your Facebook, write-up, pictures, whatever it is you have been posting. That is where they are. That is where you'll be deleting from. So after you click on activity log, you give it some time to load. Depending on your network though, give it some time to load. Mine is kind of slow because I'm having bad network. So after it has loaded up, you definitely see it open. Now this is the next page. On this page, you can see everything you have posted up until date. From time immemorial up until date. So from this particular page, you begin to click and select whatever you want to delete, or better still, you can even click all at the same time and then delete everything at the same time. But if you don't want to delete everything at the same time, you can just begin to select the ones you want to delete. You can just click on the square tabs and then delete them. You can go through them one after the other. It could be write-up that you don't want. It could be pictures that you don't want anymore. Any post you know you don't want anymore. You just go through them one after the other and then pick the ones you want to delete by clicking on the square tabs to go ahead and delete them. So here I'm just trying to go through. Yes, here you can see that I already highlighted all in the all tab. So this place you can choose to delete them at once and everything will go off. But you can still deselect. You can deselect if you don't want to delete everything at the same time, because there are some things you might want, there are some things you still need on your Facebook page that you don't want to delete. So it's advisable to even select instead of deleting all your pictures or all your posts at once. So this is me just trying to scroll through what I don't want and what I want, just trying to see which of them I want to pick and which of them I want to delete. So the moment you are done picking that which you want to delete, you just see the recycle bin. Just click on it. Yes, it will ask you if you want to delete. Go ahead and click on delete and then it will take you to recycle bin. While it's taking you back to recycle bin is for you to go and delete everything in that recycle bin. Yes, this is here showing me the things I selected that are already inside the recycle bin, and then I clicked on the recycle bin again and then I'll delete everything in the trash. I clicked on all and delete everything from the trash. So that way you will not even have any record or any data of the stuffs you have deleted from your Facebook page. Yes, so you can do that over and over and over again. Yes, when you clicked everything you already want to delete, it will take you to the recycle bin. Then after the recycle bin page open, you can then click on all those posts one more time, then click on delete, and then you delete them forever. That way you are done, you are good. Your page is free from old posts. So that is the end of the tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful.